The OS120T is a low-profile, easy-to-use, large tilt mount for most 37 to 70-inch TVs up to 120 pounds. It has patented gravity tilt built in, allowing for up to 10 degrees of tilt with minimal effort. Plus, it offers other great features like sliding lateral on-wall adjustments, safety latches, and a wall plate with tabs that secure the TV from accidental bumps and slides. It has a low 2.1-inch mounting profile and is VESA compliant up to 600 by 400. It also can reach 16 and 24-inch studs. It comes with an installation template, complete hardware kit, and universal rails to make installation easy. Here's how. To start, attach the rails to the back of your TV and set the TV aside. Choose the location where you want to mount your TV and use a stud finder to find the studs. Once you've found them, center the template on the wall and make sure it's level. Drill holes. Remove the template. Install the wall plate and attach the wall plate cover. Hang the TV on the mount using our exclusive hassle-free lift and lock feature, and make sure the safety latches click into place. Your TV is now securely mounted on the wall. The OS120T from OmniMount. We support the technology that brings your home to life.